Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while, but we are back with another crypto passive income project. This time we are talking about GT protocol and their jetbot. So you already know it's an absolute minefield out there. Projects are blowing up from left to right every single day. It's getting kinda scary, guys. It's getting kinda scary. I'm not gonna lie. So I have been out here in the DeFi fields, scratching, searching at every nook and cranny of the DeFi space to try to find the absolute lowest risk but also high potential, high ROI kind of projects. And in my opinion, this is definitely one of those. Don't get me wrong, there is definitely risk involved, in crypto there is always risk, otherwise we wouldn't have this FTX shit show and all of the other bankruptcies. But the risks that you take in this project compared to locking up your funds in a random smart contract, you basically can't compare them. Anyway, I'm rambling. Before we hop into more detail about this project, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, so it would be very much appreciated if you'd help me get there. But if not, you could also leave me a like if you like the video or the content or whatever. Or if you don't like it, hey, dislike the video and tell me in the comment, Holger, you suck. You gotta be careful with me though, I'm a fragile boy, so... But what the hell is this project? Basically, this is a copy trading platform like EasyBot, if you are familiar with that one. So what you do is you basically get to pick your trader depending on your risk level or whatever, if you only want to choose spot traders and not do any futures, you can do that. That's what I like about this, it's completely like customizable, you could say, to each individual investor. You get to pick your own risk level. So yeah, there are 19 traders in total, but before you pick your trader, you will have to purchase a membership plan. So let's have a look at those. So these are the plans. As you can see, they have plans as cheap as $25 up to the unlimited plan, which is $750. And here you can read what the differences is between these plans. Mostly it's these profit fees, so the unlimited one has 0% and the 2x one has the highest, which is 50%. And if we scroll down, you can see that, oh my god, Holger just paid $750 for a stupid membership plan. What is he, crazy? Well, yeah, I'm definitely crazy, but also they are going to increase the price of this plan actually. So it has already increased one time from $550 up to $750, and now they are going to increase it again. So this is the message that got sent out today from the GT protocol announcement channel. Dear users, as we informed you 2 months ago, the price of the unlimited membership will be increased from $750 up to $1,500 soon. Next few days is the last chance to buy it at $750 price. Later the unlimited membership price will be increased to $2,000 and then later to $5,000 and will be available for purchase only in form of a limited edition NFT collectible. So yeah, you will have to come to your own conclusion of which plan that you decide to get, if you are interested of course in this project. And yeah, also if you use the link in the description, which is my link for this project, you will get credited a $10 sign up bonus, which is, hey, that's pretty good. But yeah, the reason why I went with the unlimited plan is basically because I have done a lot of research on this project, didn't find any red flags thus far, really. I will get into the risks shortly, but yeah, as they are increasing the price of the unlimited plan sometime next week, I decided to just get it straight away. Yeah, it's a big investment, but you will have it for lifetime, and in the long run you end up making a lot more profit, you know, than going in with a cheaper plan and upgrading in the future. But yeah, you will have to decide which plan suits you best. So, after you have picked up your membership plan, it's time to pick a trader. So let's go over to these top copy strategies. So let's say we want to go with Trend Rider. He is the most popular at the moment, and I'm not surprised with, you know, these kinds of APYs. You can also check their historical performance by clicking on last deals. So yeah, this is pretty good. Up and to the right, up and to the right. Let's get this crypto. And if we scroll down, you can view all of the trading history from Trend Rider. Yup. So yeah, let's go back to list of bots. Let's say we want to go with Trend Rider, so let's copy him. This takes us to our bots. So as you can see, here is no Trend Rider, and I also got some future demos, demo long, demo short, because when you sign up you get a free 3-day trial to test jetbot out. So from my 3-day trial you can see that I have made 117 USD profit and 284 USD on this one. Of course, as this is a demo account, this is, you know, fake money. I can't withdraw it. But yeah, so for this one you can see that we have an option, either exchange or broker. What the hell does that mean? So basically, because jetbot is a copy trading project, this means that you don't have to hold your money on their website or lock it up in some smart contract or anything like that. You can have all of your funds in your Binance account, so that jetbot or GT protocol cannot put their hands on them. So all your funds are safe. Jetbot or GT protocol cannot run away with your funds. No need to worry about that. So yeah, as jetbot is tied to the GT protocol ecosystem, they have a official partnership with Binance broker. So I know that in the US you can do like futures trading on Binance, but as they are a member of the Binance broker program, you can create a broker account with just one click, which I did. So here is my broker account. I only have 18 USDT in there because I basically just created it. I will be moving over more funds next week. But yeah, if you already have a Binance future account, you can just link that to jetbot. I will also be doing that in next week. I might even record it to show you guys how it's done. Papa Holger is gonna show you how it's done. Okay, right now I'm on their white paper, and as you can see, jetbot has been around since February of 2020. So they have been around for over 2 years, which makes me personally more comfortable with investing with them, because I know that these guys have been around and have a track record. They have a 100% rating at coin payments according to 6,000 plus users. The team is fully doxed. They show their faces. You can find them on LinkedIn. They also have a YouTube channel. You can chat with them on Telegram, Discord, email. These guys are legit. Let's get this crypto. Okay, Holger, but what are the risks? Well, basically the risks lies in you giving away your exchange API keys. Basically what this does is, when you give access to your API keys to a trader, he could theoretically wreck you completely if he wanted to, because they can open and close trades for you. So if they wanted to, they could basically like open a stupid leverage trade or something and completely wreck you. Thing is though, I personally have never heard of this actually happening. I'm sure it has, but I haven't found any like concrete example or heard from anyone that this has happened. Like, sure it has. So if you have like an example or something, please contact me in my Telegram group and send a link, or you can post it in the comment section down below. I also found a good article explaining all of the risks of you giving away your API keys, so I will link that in the description box down below and you can read through that. But yeah, like this has been running now for 2 years, and how I see it is, my opinion is that giving away your API keys is 100 times safer than locking up your capital in a random smart contract and getting paid out a daily ROI on that, because yeah, we have plenty of examples what can happen when you do that. For example, BUSD VC miner dying at 270k, exit if it drops 150k. Atom Milk went to 0, owner wallet drained the contract, okay. World Cup miner, I'm not gonna say anything about this. Automated USDT and BUSD capital both gone to 0, nothing left. BUSD Kingdom online, 7.5k left, getting drained. Vampire Kingdom getting drained, rest in peace. I lost 50% of my investment in that. BNB website is trying to do siphoning by making you approve USDC, USDT, BUSD tokens. Do not go there and lose everything. You get the freaking idea. WoW miner going to 0. Oh my god, it's non-stop. So yeah, that's that. You know, I'm not here to convince you that, hey man, this is the best project ever, man. No, I'm just here to tell you about the project and you make your own decision. I have no affiliation to the team or the project or anyone involved. I paid for the bot from my own pocket, so yeah, I do not have a biased opinion. So yeah, as the market is looking right now, I personally would rather have my tokens on the Binance exchange, use jetbot to make 24/7 passive income on my capital, but also to stay extra safe, I will be moving profits over to a cold wallet as well. But yeah, I think this video is getting a bit long. I will probably end it right now. I will definitely be doing more updates on this project, which bot I will be choosing, my weekly results and so on and so forth, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, like always, none of this is financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. You already know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my Telegram group, check out my website, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.